In this video, you will learn how to create and set up a BCN3D Cloud Teams account. To create a Teams Cloud account, go to the Cloud product page on our website and scroll down until you find the summary of features. Click on the Start button and you will be prompted to log in or register if you do not have a standard Cloud account. After logging in, you will find the form where you can name your team, name the root group, and pick your own Teams URL that will be used to log in directly. You can now log into your Teams account. Now that you have your own Teams account, it is time to get the team together by inviting users to join. To invite users to this team, go to the Users tab, click on the Invitations button to switch view, and on the Create Invitation button. Then type the email of the user you want to invite and they will receive an invitation email that they will have to accept to join. You can also upload a CSV file to invite multiple users at once. Pending invitations can be revoked by selecting them and clicking on the Delete button. The next step is to register your BCN3D printers into the cloud so that your team has access to them. To register a printer in your team, simply log on to your Teams account if you have not done so already. And then type the URL provided by the printer on the Register Printer menu found on the printer's LCD. You can log in on your phone to speed up the process by using the QR code instead. On the printer registration page, you will be able to select which group the printer will be automatically assigned to. You can change the group later in case you have not created them yet. With users and printers in your Teams account, you can make use of all the basic functions. We encourage you to take a look at our knowledge base to learn more about all the advantages and features of your Teams account.